how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing or Amazon associates. How do you make money with Amazon associates? First of all, you need to join Amazon associates. If you don't know about it or you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, let me show you how to start, actually how Amazon affiliate marketing works.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So this is basically the simplest way I can show you about Amazon affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing as a whole. Let's hop onto the screen and I'll show you how to go about that. So first of all, affiliate marketing, if it is anything, is very simple. Affiliate marketing is when you join an affiliate program of a company or an entrepreneur and then you sell his or her products to your audience. It's as simple as that. Selling someone else's product to your audience. So the question is, where are you going to find those audience? Are you a brand ambassador or do you have an audience already? That is the goal. But if you don't have an audience already, how do you then sell to an audience who would buy from this affiliate company for you to earn commissions on them? So that is the train. You earn commission by promoting or selling someone else's product to your audience. So that is what affiliate marketing does. So with affiliate marketing, it comes in two ways. You have a product and your audience. So if you have a product and an audience, we look at both parties here, a product. So how do you find a product? You need to go find an affiliate program from a company or an entrepreneur. And for this matter, we are looking at Amazon. So AMZ, Amazon. Amazon is actually our vendor or our store, and they have an affiliate program. So Amazon has an affiliate program that we can join. When we join Amazon affiliate program, they will also give us an affiliate link. Then we have an affiliate link. This drawing is a little bit crazy, but that's the idea. You have an affiliate link. That is the link that will help you earn a commission. So your commission is your C. There. So that's the aim. But before you can earn a commission from an affiliate link in an affiliate program, for example, Amazon, or let's say ClickBank, or CJ, Commission Junction. Yes, they are affiliate vendors who will give you an affiliate program. You join and you will get an affiliate link that will earn you commissions. So now let's go back to affiliate marketing process here. If you have a product, you need an audience. And with that audience, you either have your own platform or you borrow a platform. So you can borrow audience from social media, or you can create your own platform or your own website. So this is your website and that is social media. This is a very simple analogy. So with social media, you'll be putting this affiliate links that you got from affiliate program from Amazon on your social media. If you have a huge following, you are a social media influencer, you can put your links there, current products for your audience or your followers there, and when they click on that, they would be tracked by this affiliate link through this affiliate program, and when they make a purchase from Amazon, you get a commission. It's as simple as that. But if you have a website of your own, that means you are driving your followers or your audience to your website. So how do you then monetize your website? You need traffic, and you can also get traffic from many sources. The biggest source is GoGo. That is where you can find the biggest traffic, and they are the best source because GoGo has a bigger platform and a bigger brand that can easily help you find people who are willing to buy your products. So it's either you are going with GoGo or you are going with the paid ads. That's with social media paid ads, so Facebook ads, or any other ad system you have. So we will go with GoGo. GoGo is giving us organic traffic. And if you are going with GoGo's organic traffic, that is where you have your customers. So our customers are on GoGo. So with this chat, where do you find the most value and where should you pay attention to if you want to make it with Amazon affiliate marketing or as an Amazon associate? Amazon associates are the people who are earning money from Amazon through affiliate marketing or their affiliate program. When you look at this chart here, where should you pay attention to? This is a system. If you want to do all of this, you see a lot of videos online and people are giving you tips and tricks on becoming an affiliate marketing and earning so much. You need a system. How do you get a system that would make this work for you? How can you get people to click on your links and then you make affiliate sales and commissions? It's not easy. If you want to make serious commissions, I can tell you it's not easy. You need to work very hard and it takes some time. The biggest and most efficient way of getting people to click on your affiliate links is to get traffic on your website if you are using this platform. If it's social media, you should be that good of a brand ambassador or a social media influencer to get people to click on your links. But the best way is to get people on your platform so that they can click on your links. So basically, on your website, you have articles that people are already looking for. How do you get those articles? That is when GoGo comes in. So your biggest and most efficient way of earning money on Amazon, look at where Amazon is to be very good with GoGo. How do you become very good with GoGo? So basically, the concept with GoGo is that people are searching for products and services online every day with their credit cards in their hands. So people are searching for best foldable treadmills below $500, below $1,000. So how would they find this information? They will need to go to Amazon and search. But since they know GoGo is that good to give them information, even though GoGo doesn't create any information, GoGo is a repository of all informations people have created. They just know how to give it to the right people. So what you do is that you use your platform to make GoGo successful, and GoGo will also make you successful by giving you customers. How do you make GoGo successful? By creating content GoGo like and GoGo love. GoGo is giving you the opportunity to find people who are already searching for certain queries or questions. So if someone is asking about a foldable treadmill less than $1,000, then you know that the person is ready to buy. There is that buyer intent. If the person has that buyer intent, he probably has his card in his pocket or in his hands. So quickly, if you have that content on your website, GoGo then directs you to this customer. There are a lot of dynamics to this. GoGo is a huge platform where a lot of people have their websites on there. So GoGo then ranks what this customer is looking for according to the query he is using. He ranks every website that has answers to that query according to relevance so that this customer will have the best experience. So if you can give that person the right answer to what he is looking for, then you become GoGo's friend. GoGo will give you a lot of customers who are looking for the same information. And this website you have created will lead to your product source, which is Amazon. But the customer here doesn't know that you have all of this set up available. Everything here is available for you. But since your customer doesn't know about all of this, he will be happy that you have given him the information he is looking for. And then he'll be glad to buy from your link. And then you earn commission on that. Now let's come to Amazon. Amazon is only giving you a 1 day or 24-hour cookie. Let me explain that to you. A cookie is a code that Amazon would insert or put on the customer's computer or whatever he's using to access that information. This cookie will stay there for 24 hours. So that would keep that information or the page he accessed on Amazon for 24 hours. If he's able to make a purchase within that 24 hours, any purchase he made, either from your link or why he used your link, if he was looking for a treadmill, he may probably want a treadmill, mat, a water bottle, an apparel, and everything else he would buy in addition to the main reason why he went to Amazon. You earn a commission on that. So you not only earn a commission on the main products, but all other products. After that day, that 24 hours, you will not earn anything from Amazon again. So you have a 24-hour cookie. And Amazon is notorious for reducing its fees for products on its catalog. So with affiliate marketing, whatever you earn from Amazon associates tend to reduce drastically. They just did an update a month ago in April 2020, and they reduced it further. So you earn very little on whatever you recommend to people on Amazon. But the benefit is that Amazon is so good at converting people to buy. People are more in tune to buying from Amazon than anybody else. When you hit Amazon's website, for example, if you want to buy this Gorilla Bowl portable home gym resistant band, this is a product that people are searching for, and the product is $249. Amazon is so good at upselling other products to this product here. So if you scroll down, you see that there are a lot of other products Amazon can recommend for people to buy, in addition to everything you are looking to buy already. So for conversion, you have no problem with that. You are not selling the product, but you are directing people to make a purchase on Amazon. Amazon will do the rest. No matter how Amazon reduces its fees for its affiliate associates, because of their conversion rates, people still stay with them. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, it's recommended to start with Amazon, but don't put your eggs in one basket. Expand into other places. Like I said, there's Commission Junction, we have ClickBank, Share a Sale, and all of that. They will also help you, give you an affiliate program where you have an affiliate link, you can earn commission from it. All of that will come together when you have customers from GoGo. So first of all, your SEO skills is very, very important. All these technical skills are so crucial to your success with affiliate marketing, and that is what the fake gurus don't tell you. If you don't know SEO, you don't know how to optimize your posts and articles, your videos, for people to find them, for you to rank very well, you cannot make it on Amazon. It's as simple as that. GoGo is your best friend. If you give him what he needs, he'll give you more customers. They will click on your link, and then you become a better Amazon associate, because people would buy from you and you earn so much from Amazon for that matter. So that is how you make money from affiliate marketing with Amazon associates. This chart, even though it looks crazy, it's as simple as that. Your goal is to go through Amazon, you pass through Amazon, through your websites, where GoGo will give you customers, and then you earn commission from them at the end here, because you have this technology running for you. So the product is not the goal, your audience is not the goal, but traffic on GoGo to your Amazon affiliate links, where you become the most helpful person online for a particular customer. So your customer is looking for information. When you become the most helpful person to give that information to GoGo, GoGo then gives it to your customer. Your customer clicks on those links, it leads them to Amazon, and then they buy, you make commission from that sale. So that is all about making money on Amazon as an associate, and then you become an effective affiliate marketer. So that is all with this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel immediately. click on the notification bell, and see you in another video.